So this is one of my favorite parts of the North Shore of Kauai. It's really kind of like the northwest part, right? We're out in on the border of Wainiha and Haena, and it's just such a beautiful part of the island. Almost all of this area right here was originally developed by Sylvester Stallone. He lived out here for a long time, and then when Hurricane Iniki happened in 1992, he left and he moved to Florida. But this is just such a beautiful part of the island. I love it. I'm standing in front of Hanalei Colony Resort, one of my favorite condominium complexes on Kauai. It's one of my favorites because it's just in one of the most beautiful locations on the planet. It's not located in Hanalei, it's located beyond Hanalei in Haena. Hanalei Colony Resort is also on a sandy beach. There are very, very few condominium complexes on Kauai that are actually on a sandy beach, and this is one of them. There will never be another condominium complex in this part of Kauai. It does have short-term rental rights. Now, it does not make a great short-term rental investment, but it is a spectacular place to stay or to own. There's on-site property management that is phenomenal with the owners. There's a shuttle you can take, around the North Shore of Kauai. They bend over backwards to take care of their owners. And now all of these condos have the same basic floor plan. And they're very small, and they're 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. There's a great pool. There's like a clubhouse or an indoor pool area, which is really nice as well. Every once in a while, one of these will come on the market, and I'll think, I've got to figure out a way where I can live out here. And it might actually have to be when I retire, but it is such a beautiful location that if you're looking for something that's just the most beautiful thing, this is something to consider. It also has great trade winds. Let me just think. Another thing that's really nice about Hanalei Colony Resort is they have a restaurant on property. There's also a little spa where you can get a massage, and a coffee shop that also sells pictures and other gifts that you can bring back to loved ones. So all of the condos within Hanalei Colony Resort are the same size and same basic floor plan. They're 2 bedroom, they're small 2 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condos with the same size lanai. Now, depending on the view and the location within the complex, the prices can vary greatly. If you're all the way up to the back, then you can sometimes find those condos for at or a little under $400,000. If you're one of these upper level corner units on the ocean side, you're going to be paying over $1 million. So there's a wide range of prices based on location and condition within Hanalei Colony Resort. Also on the property of Hanalei Colony Resort, there's Nepali Art Gallery, which is a coffee shop that also sells art, jewelry, and things you can bring home to people. And then right next to it is O Paka Paka, which is a really fun restaurant, and the only restaurant beyond Hanalei on the North Shore of Kauai. Insurance companies overall in general did not collect enough money to pay out for the disasters that happened in 2023. One of those disasters was were the fires in the Haena. So insurance across the board, real estate insurance across the board in Hawaii has gone up a lot. So if you own a primary residence, you're just paying a lot more. If you're in a condo association, your association maybe has enough money to pay it out, but what you see in a lot of condominium associations is they're doing an assessment for the insurance. They could also be increasing your HOA fee, or a combination of the two. And what most insurance agents are saying is that we can expect these higher rates for 2 years, and then they'll go back down. It's hard for me to say things are going to go down in 2 years, because I just don't think that happens that often. But back when Kauai had Hurricane Iniki, that did happen. Insurance went up for 2 years, and then it became more competitive again.